Back to the ball game, third quarter. Alog versus
Third quarter. Bandel ang tubagon.
For the Fiesta
Tolera.
Barangay.
Nogod again.
Asgad. Saldes.
Kanan mga bitas nakadali. Posing foul coming from jersey number 20, Barangay Agnaya. Number 13 outside. Number 31. Paso number 9. 15 to make a shot. Lakanarya to Dobeliana. 10 to make a shot. Pedawi shot. No good. Rebound by Madjaw. Number 13. Follow number 13. Liwat. Ayaw pagpirit ha. Kay sharing pa natin. Kalipayang talay ni. Di retain pa kabuhi. Sige girl lang kulangay. Number 20 to number 9. Tumera. Pinunggok. Agawan. Nakuha ng mga nakapula. Nakuha ni Sir Tinero. Wala. Naragawa ka mo, Choy. Agay. At naman kita. Paul. Number 9 to number 20 to may pito.
Paul Island Blood.
Ano ba? Paul number 2 di malin.
First throw.
First try, good for one, nothing but net. Second try, and an out. Rebound Gonchoy. Ito ka naman dyan, number 16, 1-1. Eurostep, good for 2. Ito number 13, Kagawad Ricoy, pinakaro. And an out. Rebound ni Kagawad Liwat ang alog. Pasang ang mga taga-Saudi. Nakuha ni Kagawad na number 20. Ngadto kanis ka chairman number 22, nagpeg. Waray pagkadali. Mabang ka, magsobra. Number 18 Alan, 2 points. 20 kontra 18. Number 13 Madjaw, paso number 2 Lager. Okay. Pasabit, rebound ni Kagawad. 2 points. Pareho tato ni score.
Pareho pira. 20. 3 points. Yes.
3 points. Number 3.
Babawi.
Lakanarya, in and out. Rebound ni Iki. Pass to 1-1 to Madjaw. Kick out pass to number 3. In and out. Rebound ni Butchoy.
Kinaliwa.
2 points number 18. 22-23. O sa kalabaw ito nalo. 15 to make a shot.
Foul. First
Good
throw.
for one, number 13.
Second throw. Basket again.
Shoot, di apa ni kaduha. Sa talong kalabaw. Aroy, outside.
Bon, nakaupli sana.
1 minute and 20. Number 13, Davis Carty. Kick out pass to number 3. 5 for 3, bingo!
3 points.
Number 3, 3 points. 1 minute and 5. 1 minute 18 to shoot. Top outside. By number 13. 15 to make the shot. Adoy! Malinis na malinis. 45. 30, 22. 8.
Takbo na naman. Lakaba.
Sige lang. Ano?
Last 33 seconds.
15 to make a shot.
3 points again. Yes.
Back to back 3 points by number 3.
Back to back. 3 points.
20 segundos. 15. 12 segundos. Foul number 16. 1-1. 33-22 sa ating score.
Second throw, wala pa rin.
Yes! 5. Pareho na oras.
That's the end.
Partial score 33-22.
Third quarter. That's the end of third quarter.
Pero labaw namon. Ha?